Lizami. Did you play the translation game in my last video? I hope you did. If so, here is the explanation for each sentence in the game. Let's start now. The first question's answer is bonjour. Also remember that you can use bonjour any time of the day, just like you say namaste in India. Another thing to remember is that in Quebec, you will also hear another expression for good morning, that is bon matin, which literally means good morning. The French expression for hi is salut. Use salut only when you address someone that you know very well, like your friends, family members, young children, colleagues, etc. You can also use salut in the sense of bye in informal situations. Demain means tomorrow. Demain means see you tomorrow. In this expression, I is similar to the to in the English expression I look forward to tomorrow. Another useful expression is à plus tard, which means see you later. À lundi means see you on Monday. Also remember that the French days of the week do not start with the capital letter. So you cannot write à lundi. Je m'appelle literally means I call myself or I am called. Don't translate the English expression my name is directly as mon nom est, because no just means surname or family name. Voici. Voici means here is or here are. Some other examples: voici ma mère. Me voici. Le voici. La voici. Elle s'appelle Cathy. The literal meaning of this sentence is she calls herself Cathy or she is called Cathy. Here are some related expressions. Il s'appelle Pierre. Vous vous appelez Cathy? Tu t'appelles Cathy? Comment vous appelez-vous means what's your name? It's a formal expression and its informal version is comment t'appelles-tu? J'ai 22 ans means I'm 22 years old. Never say je suis 22 ans. Another interesting thing is that if you analyze j'ai 22 ans word by word, you can see that it means I have 22 years. French is really funny, right? Also note that in English, you can also say I'm 22. But this shortcut is not possible in French. So never say j'ai 22. Quel âge avez-vous? Means how old are you? If you are talking to your close friends, relatives, etc., you can ask quel âge as-tu? You can translate I'm Paul's friend in two ways. Je suis un ami de Paul if you are a male and je suis une amie de Paul if you are a female. In this sentence, the Paul means Paul's or of Paul. Mon frère est célibataire. Célibataire means bachelor or single or unmarried. Célibataire can be used for a man or woman. If you want to learn more expressions about marital status, I have made a separate video on it. Please watch it by clicking the link given in the description. Ma sœur est dentiste. Remember, you cannot say ma sœur est une dentiste because an article cannot be used while describing someone's profession in French. J'ai un fils et une fille. I think the meaning is very clear here. But some of you might be wondering why the L in fils is silent and the double L in fille has the y sound. You can clear this doubt by watching my special video about the different ways of pronouncing Elle in French. Please check the description. Elle a les yeux bleus. Remember that you cannot say Elle a les bleus yeux because in French, most of the times adjectives are placed after nouns. I live in India can be translated in two different ways. Je vis en Inde or j'habite en Inde because both vivre and habiter mean to live. However, je vis en Inde is a preferred choice here because vivre has a broad meaning and habiter is used for the precise location of one's home. Those who are interested can watch my video on the difference between habiter and vivre. Parlez-moi de votre famille. It's a formal question and the informal version is Parle-moi de ta famille. Please note the differences that we made while converting the formal sentence into an informal one. Où est votre bureau? And the informal question is Où est ton bureau? Apart from office, bureau has another meaning, that is desk, especially a writing desk. Je veux apprendre le français. If you want to say I would like to learn French, then you can say Je voudrais apprendre le français. Parlez-vous français? Est-ce que vous parlez français? And the informal sentences are Parles-tu français? And Est-ce que tu parles français? So, I hope you enjoyed the translation game and also learned some new things from this explanation video. I will meet you with another lesson very soon. À la prochaine!